Hi guys, this is Raghav down here at Kia West, and today I'm going to walk you through our delivery process here at Kia West. So when it starts from you buying a vehicle, finalizing the paperwork, right after that we send the car to detail, put the wheel locks and do the PDI of the vehicle and cover the first oil change. And on top of that, after everything's done, when the detail is done, before you take delivery of the car and you leave the lot, we will make sure that we have went over the vehicle with you. So that, whenever you buy a newer vehicle, it's definitely an upgrade, and technology can change a little bit over time. Maybe you're changing after 5 years, or you can switch after 5 months, and even technology can change that in different models. So that is why we make sure, we take pride in our service, and we will make sure that you know the vehicle you're driving out with, because when that blind spot's beeping, you're going to be intimidated by that. So we want to make sure that does not happen anymore. So if you recently bought a vehicle from us, or are you planning to buy a vehicle from us, we have Kaylee. She's our customer service manager, and she goes over the vehicle in detail even after delivery. We can book an appointment for you. So if you've recently bought a vehicle with us, or you're planning to buy a vehicle, just let us know. We can book a delivery appointment for you. Thank you.